Then I was gonna try to keep, you know, dry, you know, kind of pretty much from here to my knees. And of course, I stepped in some pluff mud and literally sank all the way up to my waist. I was literally down to mud down to my knees, and now I've got methane smelling all over me. That's real nice. I like that. I gotta watch out here. Every time I get to this spot, I see a cottonmouth every time. So cottonmouth country right here. Oh, did I get one? Yeah, I did. Oh, good fish, good fish. Good fish. He's running all over on me. Okay, come here. Oh, wow. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. Come here, buddy. Come here, let's hurry up and land you. Let's not play around with you too much. You're a good fish. Come here. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. All right, look at that. Little bitty Plusinno hook. All right. Good fish. Let's get him back. All right. Yeah. Nice 16. All right. Let's get you back, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Get on back in there. Thank you, buddy. Mr. Mark, there you go. Put Mr. Mark Williams' gift that he sent me, this Cadence. I love this ultralight combo setup. Man, it's so nice. That's my buddy Mark. Oh my gosh, I've just got another good one. Well, I don't think he's not as big as that last guy. Oh, he just come off. Or is he running on me? No, he's running on me. He's a good one though. Here we go, another one. Let me watch. Come here, buddy. All right, putting Mr. Marks. All right, you're perfect too. Got you right in the corner of the mouth. Oop, you're about to spit up your little meal. Let me hurry up. Get on in there. He had a little bait fish in his mouth. Didn't want to make him spit his meal out. All right, 2 in a row. 2 in a row. Mr. Mark and Damien, they sent me this rod and reel combo, man. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. I haven't had a lot of time to get out and put this thing to the test, and whew, it's nice to get out and put it to work today. Now maybe these guys are starting to liven up. Let's see. We'll get another one. We'll get number 3. Let's see. There we go. Let me come back for it. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Go and land you real quick. Come on. I want to play around with you, bud. Come here. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here. Got him. Somehow he tore my... Ooh, oh my goodness. He was just barely hooked, but there we go. All right, get him back. I mean, he was barely hooked. I think right now I'm definitely needing to kind of get that. There we go. There we go. There's a good one. Hey, not that. No, he's good. No, he is good. I was like, come here, bud. Yeah, decent. Come here, bud. Don't get near that. Don't get near that tree. Come on. Get out of that. Come here, bud. Let's not get up in the weeds. Good hook up right in the corner of the mouth. That's good. Come here, buddy. All right. Good hook up right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. All right. There we go. First one today. Got some damage on this effect fine. About 15. All right. This is a big fish. Oh my goodness. This is a good fish. Okay, he's running downstream on me. He's running downstream on me. Running downstream on me. Haven't seen him yet. There he is right there. Okay, bait's outside his mouth, so that's good. Good night. Good night. Okay. I'm gonna tighten the drag it just a little bit. Oh my goodness, come on, buddy. Come here. I don't want you, I don't want it. I don't want to fight with you too long. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Good night. Can't get. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. If I had put any pressure on that guy, he would have been gone. All right. Good deal. All right. All right, Mr. Mark, another good one. There we go. Now we're starting to get there. Well, my little beaver buddy, he has been busy. He started this dam about 3 weeks ago, and man, he's already got it holding water. And there's about a 18-inch difference, I guess, in between the water level now. So he's got it dammed up in very short fashion. He's gonna block me off from my section I want to fish in the winter if he makes it too deep, and it's already getting up in the grass line here. Look at this. And I wonder if he's just stacked this rock like that. I wonder if the beavers, there's rocks in there too. I wonder if these beaver actually will stack rock in there like that. Three weeks that little booger's already done this much. And look right here, look at the difference in that right there. There's the water level there, and it's already up all the way up there. That's easily 18 inches. And right there is where he goes out of that area right there into the woods. That little booger. Mr. Mark, Damien, I can't thank you guys enough for the new rod and reel combo. I love it. I've got some other stuff I got to try. I don't know, Mr. Mike Monroe from Tennessee Tackle has sent me a lot of Ned Rigs. Awesome selection. I've got to start trying those out, and time is getting right. With this cool down, going to that Ned Rig is going to be perfect. So that's what's on my agenda for next week, is to get out and start trying out those Ned Rigs. They look awesome. I can't wait to try those out. Mark, Damien, fishing family, thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for coming along on today's journey. I appreciate each and every one of you. Till next time, grab your poles, call your buddies, get out there, make some memories, give us some elbow. Oh, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Hey, be safe, have a great week, and we'll see you really soon.